You designed a 100-gram prototype, calculated the price. PLA is $20 per kilo, so the part costs $2. Then you get a call from a pro service, $115. Is this a scam? Why does 3D printing program seems so cheap, but actually isn't? Today we rip off the band-aid. Section 1. Origins of the program myth. The DIY community started this myth. They divide a 50 filament roll by 1000 gram sand, get 0.05 gram. Simple, but this ignores 80% of real costs. Machine depreciation, 10,000 to 500,000 equipment for design, monitoring, post-processing, failure risks, and energy costs. Professional services priced by the hour, not gram because time equals money. Section 2. The pro cost formula exposed. Real pricing isn't magic, it's science. Total cost equals material plus machine time times hourly rate plus labor time times hourly rate plus post-processing plus profit. For example, 1 hour on a 100 SLS machine, $40 minus $100. 2 hours of engineer labor equals $120. Material is just between 5% and 20% of the total. Section 3. Case study. The $218 medical shell. An 18-gram medical housing prototype cost $218. Why? Engineering resin plus 12 hours print time in controlled humidity. Complex support, removal, and polishing. Result. Founder design floor, saving $15,000 in board fixes. You're not paying for the grams, you're paying for the expertise, certainty, and the risk avoidance. Section 4. Key cost drivers. Forget weight, these factors dominate pricing. Material type resin costs 20 times more than PLA. Height and complexity. Taller parts equals more layers equals more time. Post-processing, sandblasting, dyeing, assembly at 200% plus cost. Volume bulk orders reduce unit costs drastically. Section 5. FAQ and practical tips. Question. How to estimate my project cost? Use online quoting tools. Upload your file for instant breakdowns. Question. Per gram versus per cubic inch. Both are flawed, they ignore machine time and labor. Question. Starting a 3D printing business, desktop. 5,000 pro grade, 500,000 plus for industrial machines. Get your quote. Stop guessing costs. Get a transparent quote. First step, upload your design. Second step, select materials and finish. Third step, see real-time pricing based on machine time and label. Link in the description to try now. Subscribe for more prototyping tips.